friends, in today's video, we will be presenting 15 interesting and profitable small business ideas related to food and restaurant fields, which you can consider starting tomorrow. Friends, these ideas are related to a wide range of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs, and some of them can be started with low investment also. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first business idea is starting a grocery store which specializes in imported food items. This involves import of exotic fruits, vegetables, chocolates, drinks, spices, etc., and then selling them locally. For this, you can start a retail shop, or you can do import and wholesale of the same. Let us talk about the requirements. You need to have personal interest in international cuisines and exotic foods so that you can offer the best products to your customers. Some further requirements are that you need to have good contacts and good suppliers in overseas locations from where you can import quality products. Frequent overseas traveling might be required. It requires investment of your time, money, and effort. And you also need to have a good support team for handling the day-to-day operations. Friends, the second business idea is supplying consumables and other items to restaurants or hotels. All restaurants or hotels or eating joints require reliable and quality suppliers for products like kitchen equipments, consumable products like drinks, food, spices, cooking oils, utensils, cutlery, etc. As an entrepreneur, one can establish a client base of a number of hotels and supply them the consumable products on a regular basis, and thus he can have a sustainable business. Let's talk about the requirements. You need to have adequate storage space for stocking the consumable or recurring need items, ability to deliver items at a short notice. You need to have own delivery vehicles and drivers if possible, and you need to have a good marketing as well as support staff. Friends, the third business idea is bottled water distribution business, wherein you can supply bottled water as well as water dispensers in offices, hotels, shops, etc. Friends, this is a sustainable and long-term business idea as drinking water is required everywhere. Speaking about the requirements, you need to have a good network of customers as this is a high-volume business. For efficient deliveries, own delivery vehicles are preferred. Friends, the fourth business idea is starting a buffet restaurant, wherein you can provide a wide variety of dishes and customers can eat all they want for one fixed price. Let's talk about the requirements. You need to have a good location with spacious area to accommodate all the guests. You need to have good cooks who have knowledge of a variety of dishes, as well as you need to keep affordable prices for the food. Friends, the fifth business idea is starting a takeaway restaurant, wherein you can provide quickly prepared food, which is helpful for busy people who can just take the food package and go. Talking about the requirements, again, you need to have a good location, which is preferably near office complexes, factories, or near densely populated residential areas. You also need to have good cooks with knowledge of a variety of dishes. You need to have affordable prices for the food, as well as you need to be developing efficient cooking systems so that the food can be prepared as soon as possible. Friends, the sixth business idea is starting a bakery shop, for example for breads, biscuits, cakes, ready-to-eat snacks, etc. Talking about the requirements, you need to focus on consistent quality, coming up with new recipes regularly, as well as, if possible, then you can also offer home deliveries for regular customers. Friends, the seventh business idea is making chocolates. This is a profitable small business idea which one can start from home itself. The initial customers can be family as well as friends, and slowly and steadily the business can grow through word of mouth advertising. One can also set up a website for online promotions and can deliver chocolates to customers via courier. Friends, the eighth business idea is starting a food truck business. This is another profitable small business idea. Through food trucks, an entrepreneur can offer quickly prepared food at affordable prices to his customers. Let's talk about the requirements. First of all, you need the food truck. One can purchase a second-hand truck which can then be modified as per the required design. The required location should be high footfall areas, for example near shopping malls, residential areas, etc. As well as you need good cooks as well as support staff. Friends, the next business idea is starting an organic food shop. Health conscious people prefer to have organic food. This trend is more pronounced in metro cities, so this can be a profitable business idea. Friends, the 10th business idea is organizing farmers market or local sales events, wherein you can help the local farmers to sell their fresh produce to the public. Speaking about the requirements, proper space is required for organizing the market as well as setting up the stalls. Advertisement can be given in local newspapers or online about the venue, dates, various promotions, etc. Friends, the 11th business idea is starting cooking classes. In case you know how to prepare tasty dishes, then you can use your cooking skills to make money by starting cooking classes. Let's talk about the requirements. You need to have knowledge and interest in cooking as well as in teaching. It requires investment of your time for preparation as well as scheduling of the classes. You need to have a proper spacious location as well as online or offline advertisement to promote your classes. Friends, the 12th business idea is starting a food blog or a video channel which is focused on food items. You can write about your experiences while having food at various places along with pictures, or you can even make videos about preparing good food and then you can upload them on YouTube. Friends, the next business idea is becoming a nutritionist. If you have the required knowledge and certification, then you can guide people regarding healthy food choices so that they can achieve their health-related goals. Friends, the 14th business idea is starting an ice cream parlor. This can be set up with low investment also, and you can also consider taking a franchise of any established brand. And the 15th business idea is starting a popcorn shop or a kiosk, wherein you can offer a variety of flavors for popcorns, which are ranging from plain to salted to chocolate, caramel, etc. Let's talk about the requirements. Location in a busy shopping mall or movie theaters is preferred. Creativity is required for making new flavors. And here also you can consider taking a franchise of some good brand. Friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video on 15 interesting and profitable small business ideas which are related to food and restaurant fields, which you can consider starting tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have any questions, comments or suggestions, then please mention them in the comments box below and do subscribe to our channel so that you can have the latest updates regarding all of our videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, this video is for entertainment and general educational purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor before spending money for starting any business or for making any investment. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon in order to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.